Hey, what is going on, guys? So I wanted to make a quick video just highlighting the importance of having a trade plan and having a watch list. So guys, I send out a watch list to our private group every single day, and I want to show you guys how it performs and kind of what I look for every day. So if we go to our group, you can see here that I sent out 4 stocks for our watch list. The first one being Tesla. So I said Tesla has been ranging between supply and demand levels, which is also our 100 and 200 day moving averages. I am looking to play between these ranges. And I said the ranges are the 203 levels as our resistance, and then to go long if we can test 109. And then I sent out this picture like this. So now if we go to Tesla, I'm going to pull up Tesla. If we go to Tesla, when I sent out that alert, that was yesterday. So it was in pre-market. So it was before pre-market, actually. It was before 4 a.m. So if we look at Tesla stock here, this is the key level that I was looking for. So if we look right here, this is that resistance level that I was telling the group to watch out for Tesla for today. So we can see we had many rejections above this level. And what I would like for Tesla, the only time I would go long Tesla is if we broke out of this 204 zone, come back, retest, and start moving higher. But as long as we stay below this level, I want to see Tesla come to this zone and start fading away. And this is exactly what it did this morning. But as you can see, this happened in pre-market. So we did not send out an alert for Tesla. The trade already happened in pre-market. And sometimes those are frustrating because it's like, oh, it actually worked as we planned, but it happened before the markets opened, so we were not able to place any trades. So that was the first alert. And the second one is on Apple. So I told the group that I'm still holding my Apple calls from Friday. So I sent out an alert on Friday that I'm buying Apple calls as we broke above 215. And I said, if we test 220, I will be taking profits. My stop loss is below 214. And actually, I adjusted where my take profit was. As you can see here, I said, I'm going to take profits as we are approaching 219.37. So if we pull up Apple, and I made a full video on this analysis yesterday, so you can go check out that video. So if we look at Apple stock, I'm going to show you guys why I entered this position and what I saw for Apple. So if we look here, we can see this support level right here for Apple, and we can see Apple eventually broke below this level. So we broke below this level, and this then became a support level for us right here. So this then became a support level for us as we broke above this level. Or I'm sorry, so this was a support level we broke below, and then this became a resistance level for us. So we can see right here, this became a resistance level for us, and we finally broke above this level on Friday. So we broke above this level on Friday, and I told the team that if we can come back and retest this area and hold, that I was going to go long on Apple, and we were able to hold this area. It was a nice hold on this area, so I went long on Apple, 215 calls. So now you can see Apple started pushing higher, and the reason why I said I am taking profits at that 219.37 level, I'm going to show you guys exactly why. So if we turn on our moving averages, we can see, let me jump to a shorter time frame, we can see that is where our moving average was, our 20-day moving average. So you can see right here. And I said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and sell Apple calls. If you guys want, you can wait and try to hold it to 220, but that would be very risky. So if we go to the alert that I sent out, I said, if you want, you can hold to 220, but that could be risky. And we can see, I said 219.37, and that was almost to the penny. So if we go back, we can see the high of Apple was 219.50. So it was almost to the penny. Now let's go to the next alert that we sent out. So if we go back to our watch list, the next stock that I was watching was NQ. I said I like calls if we can retest the demand zone at 18,540 for a push to the supply level, which is also our 100-day moving average. And I'm going to show you guys. So it was 18,540. So if we go back to our charts, we're going to go and look at NQ. So here is NQ. And if we look at 18,540, that is this zone right here. So as you can see, markets opened up and we came down, tested this demand zone. We went higher a little bit, came back, tested it, and we moved higher, as you can see right there. And that move was, it was over a 1% move. So if we look here from that 18,540, we moved 1%, and we didn't reach our next supply level all the way up here, but we had a small supply level here at 18,757, and this would have been an insane trade. Unfortunately, I was not able to catch this move as I was in the Apple trade. Now, the final stock that I was watching was Nvidia. So I said earnings are around the corner. I'm watching 107, 108 zone for sellers. That could fade us down again. If we manage to break that, then 110 could cause that resistance. So now let's go ahead and look at Nvidia, and this is the importance of having a trade plan and ideas. So when you come to the markets, you're not just trading based off of what you see now, and you're not just reacting to the present moves, but you have a plan before the markets even open up. So first, let's start off with Nvidia played out exactly as I said it would. I said we were watching that 107 area. We can see we came to this 107 area. We pushed down. It found support. So I said if we manage to break above this, then it's 110. That's the 110 area that can cause that fade. So we went to that 110 area and we started fading away. And I'm going to show you guys why I was looking for this trade, because it doesn't matter, or nothing matters unless you have reasons behind your trades. These are not random price levels that I was throwing out. If we look here, this is why I was looking at Nvidia. So we can see NVIDIA has had this, or let me change the color for you guys. So we can see NVIDIA has had this resistance level right here where we were struggling to break above many times. So you can see this is 5 times where we rejected this area. So I knew once we can get above this area, right here, come back and retest it, we can move higher. But that move higher, we need to be careful. Why? Because we have this level right here, which is the weekly supply level. So I had this weekly supply level charted out. So you had an opportunity. You could have gone long, and taken this trade, or you could have went short once we tested this area for that push back down. But this is the importance of having a plan, having a watch list, and having exact levels that you are watching. So you're not blinded by anything, and you also have less anxiety when you're in trades because you know exactly what you are looking for. So I believe those are all the trades that I sent out for the day. So guys, the takeaways from this video is before you go to any trading day, just make sure you have a plan, you have an idea, you have a specific stock you are looking for, or stocks that you are looking for, and exact areas that you are looking for, where you say, hey, if we can reach this area, I'm going to see if buyers step in. If we can reach this area, I'm looking to see if sellers are going to step in. That will make your trading a million times better. So guys, that is all for this video. Once again, if you guys want to be part of our group, the link will be the first one in the description. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.